Okay, the elk are really close. Doris saw them down by the gate on the way home from work. The grass is greening up a little bit. I try not to scare them. They're kind of leery, but they're pretty close. There's more over here. There's a baby right under this tree. I'm gonna go upstairs. Okay, we're upstairs in the loft. The window's dirty, but dirty besides, baby. This window here. So I guess there's 8 of them. This grass just started greening up. That's the leach field. And it was dry when we got here. Nobody living. She's right up there. I think one might see us up here. Not really paying as much attention. This one here is just really close. The sun's kind of bad. The ocean's right there. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, that one's baby laid down. You're gonna take a little rest. That's a big old cow. Come up here and look at him. Come here, kitty. Come here. Getting close to the deck here. Who needs lawnmower?